Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa Howard, and I don't know what brought you here to this channel, but I'm so glad that you are here. Now, I just wanted to do this quick video so that I can let you know what this channel is all about. So this channel is about navigating the internet to earn extra money. So whether that is for someone who has their own business already, or someone who works full-time who wants to supplement their income, someone with their own business who wants to learn marketing tips to market their business. That's what this channel is about. So if that is something that you're interested in, then subscribe and like, and I will be bringing you information on those subjects. So once again, my name is Lisa Howard, and this channel is about empowerment and using the internet to finance your dreams, whatever those dreams may be, if they're financial. All right, bye-bye.